Right then, this has just turned up today. I bought this, I first ordered one about 3 months ago and it got sent back through from customs back to China. This one I ordered about 6-7 weeks ago. It's just turned up today. So let's have a look. There we are. Right, as you can see, box looks a little bit crushed around there. And obviously seals look broken down there as well. So I don't know if it's been broken for customs or not, I don't know. Right, so look inside here. Controller. That looks all in one piece. Got an instruction book. What's that? No idea. Just thrown in the box. Another packet. No idea. Just thrown in box. Right. Just taking a little bit to pull out. Looks like we just pull all that up. So it doesn't look like there's no spares, nothing else at all, just the booklet and the controller, no batteries. It looks all in one piece. Obviously if you're using a knife, just be careful with your fingers. And there we are. Feels a lot lighter than what we were expecting. However, it does look nice. Quite soft tyres. Soft foams by the sounds of that. The vented tyres as well. So there we are. Front bench and have a look. Right, so body, it's quite tough body. Clear windows. There we are, no lights. Got the plastic engine up front of it. Fitted on window wipers, door handles. Right, so we've got 15 kilogram servo front and back. Got winch bracket on front there, place to mount a winch. Bracket straps. carbon fibre body, quite thick, rigid. Underneath, got full metal, everything really, apart from these skirts at the side are plastic. There seems to be a lot of trouble, it just seems to be bouncing on steering. Could be a problem trying to get some distance. Right, get some batteries charged, there we go.